welcome everyone. Just really wanted to share a video. We just had a great meeting with
Candice. Hi, my name is Candice. I'm part of GenInvest. I'm Up North Property Investments.
Hello, and I'm Richard. We're here in my office, Coventry, Godiva Estates. Also under the umbrella of GenInvest.
Okay, so we just had an amazing meeting for the last hour 15 or so, just talking about some of the things that are going to be happening in 2018. So I'm really excited.
I'm really excited.
Right, some real good plans and some real good targets. So if we talk about some of the things that was going to be happening in 2018, so those who are watching the video, they know what's coming, what to expect, why they should be excited as well. So who wants to kick us off on some of the things that we were talking about?
I think I'll kick us off. Okay, so Up North Property Investments is going to be working with GenInvest. We're going to be helping people, armchair investors, secure excellent deals up north. Really excited about that. We're going to be hosting workshops to educate people about investments as well.
That's it. You see, this is so live in his office. The business is still happening. The phones are still going off. We're not going to ignore it. It's going to go to his online secretary somewhere. Okay. So one of the things we're going to be doing as well, do you want to talk about the video that we're going to be recording so everyone can see what Huddersfield looks like and what North looks like?
Really excited about that. We've got a video coming out in the next few weeks, and we're going to be going up to Huddersfield. We're going to be showing you a bit about the area, a bit about different parts of Huddersfield where you can potentially invest, and what Huddersfield is known for in terms of trade, investment, the economy, things like that.
So we're looking excited for that. So what would be the key highlight? What's the thing that I'd be looking for in a video in Huddersfield? What's the key landmark? Is there a key landmark? Like we've got Godiva in Coventry.
Castle Hill.
Castle Hill.
Yeah.
I say so. Look out for Castle Hill.
Castle Hill, where the Romans and Vikings fought. Yeah, so that's still there.
Okay, so we're looking
it's a landmark. So that'll be there.
So there's our tourism video that we'll be having up north. Okay, we'll also be doing one for.
Going to do one for Coventry. So we're going to bring everything for Coventry, from the universities to the hospital to good old Jaguar Land Rover. Trying to point out some nice areas and some decent properties. That brings me on to probably one of the best things all three of us are going to be doing.
What's that?
We're going to be giving you all properties of the week from 3 different locations.
Yes.
Awesome.
Coventry will be myself.
Huddersfield will be me.
And I'll be doing Birmingham. I don't know if I've got like a short straw. But yeah, I'll be bringing you properties from Birmingham and doing a video there where potentially, where I invest. Okay, so my portfolio predominantly now is in the Midlands. We are trying to move up north because of Candice. She's tempted us up north. But we'll have a look at some of those properties, and obviously you have a portfolio in Coventry, so talking about some of the deals there as well. So that's going to be really exciting. It's really exciting. Now you mentioned obviously we talk about a webinar. So there's a webinar coming up. That'll be our first ever webinar. Who wants to talk about that?
I think over to you then.
Over to me! Right, the pressure's on. Okay, so one of the things we want to do is give as many people access to understand about properties, where you can ask us questions, about anything to do with property investment. Like Candice talking about why up north, could be about Coventry. There's some technical questions you may want to ask. There's some tax changes, and some quite big tax changes that are happening in 21. Is it 21?
21, yeah.
21, 22, and around there, that have big implications for anyone looking at investing. So just be a half-an-hour webinar, and that will lead us to our workshops. That's going to be exciting. We're going to be talking about properties, how you should actually be making money. So we're going to slightly different some of the other property network meetings out there. So I think we're going to be a little bit more about mindset as well, because it's actually mindset affects a lot of people when it comes to properties. Talk about how to make money to help you to get into investing and things like that. But that'll be led by Richard. I put some pressure on that. He didn't even know what he was going to say. So Richard's going to lead on that. But I'd say when do you think we're going to do our first workshop?
I think the webinar's going to go in February. Isn't it?
February, we have our first webinar.
So obviously you guys are going to love it. We're going to be inundated with questions.
That's what we're talking about.
And then the workshops will probably take place Easter.
About Easter time.
About March.
About March, that's it. So we're committing to you on video that we're going to have the most excellent property networking event to help you on your property journey. So we talked about the videos that are coming out. We've got webinars coming out. Obviously, property sourcing is one of our key things.
It is.
And if we just talk about what kind of costs. We discussed the money today. So someone's been talking about, we've mentioned quite a bit about property sourcing. What will somebody get in a property sourcing? What can they expect from us in 2018? Someone who wants to get into properties, but wants you said an armchair investing.
Yeah, you know, armchair investor is somebody who's got that money, perhaps in the bank, just sitting there. It's not really giving them much of a return. They don't know what to do with it. That's the benefit of us three. We can help you get a better return, and we can show you where to invest that money, and we can, more importantly, hold your hand every single step of the way. And we've got a really exciting part of our service where not only can we help you through in terms of purchasing the property, but for example, if it needs any renovation up there, we've got a team already waiting on board who can renovate the property for you. And
exciting.
And in addition, you know, we can go on and manage that property and rent it out. So those are the type of things that we're looking at.
So literally, you don't have to worry about anything. If you've got the cash, we have the service that we could help you to deal with everything. So we're gonna have that from North in Coventry. We'll also be looking at properties in Birmingham. Now we are talking about North quite a bit, just because I love Richard. Richard was like this year. Richard was like, if we work out that last deal we just done for that investor, I think we talked about getting a return on
7.6% on a return.
7.6%. You think how much you get in the banks? Maybe a couple of percent, if you're lucky. So if you're getting almost 8%, if we rounded it up, and let's round it up to 8% return on that, and that investor has seen a property buying picture. Okay. So we did everything. We dealt with solicitors, we dealt with decorators, agents. That person didn't have to do anything. So they're happy now. They're getting about £350 in their pocket.
Cash flow
every month, which is not bad going.
And it wasn't, you know, an overly big property or anything.
No, that's
just a standard 2-bedroom mid-terrace property in good condition. Some minor repair on it. Under 2,000. Under 2,000 pounds. Your uncle, and that person's got an excellent cash flow out of that.
Well, we'll bring you a video actually. The tenant moves in, gets the keys in 2 days. So we're going up there, so we'll be showing you the video. Hopefully get a picture of a very happy tenant moving into her freshly made property, so we'll show you that. Now what kind of fees? Let's get the money out of the way. We talk about sourcing, but how much, what we agreed.
We've agreed.
I think we've been very competitive, by the way.
We are extremely competitive. Realistically, bearing in mind you can do absolutely nothing, it's completely hands off. I think for a fee of 2% of the purchase price, we're going to have a minimum amount. We're going to have £1,500
minimum.
That'll be everything for you, dealt with, deal done, to tenant move in in 2 days.
Look at that, now £1,500, imagine, to having it all done. Source the property, make sure it's ready. We'll also have to give you a service of looking after the property, you know, finding a tenant.
Hands off.
It gives you a long-term investment.
I might have to get some properties myself. I have to get some more properties myself in there.
There might have been any left.
That's it. That's it. So there's some really exciting things coming in 2018, and you can see the partnership, with Godiva Estates, GenInvest, Investing Up North. There's another partner that will be joining us in Investing Up North. Do you want to tell us a little bit about Dion? Where is she today?
Dion's at home looking after a newborn baby boy, but she'll be back in a few months. I'm really excited that she's going to be part of this team. Excellent.
Okay, so listen, 2018 promises to be really exciting. This is the year that you take care of your financial freedom, your financial security. It's no one else's responsibility but yours to take care of your finances. Not government, not your best friend, not your dad. It's your responsibility, and we're going to give you so much content to give you the confidence to go out there and start investing and take care of your finances. So it's bye from me.
From me.
And from me.
See you 2018.
See you in 2018.
Bye.
Bye.